Alright, today what I'm going to show you how to do is how to create a population pyramid using Google Spreadsheet. The first thing you're going to need to do is go to this website right here, and I'll have the website linked below or maybe popping up in the YouTube video right now. Alright, once you get there, you're going to need to go to the left side where it says Select Report right here. Once you get there, I want you to click on Population by 5-year age groups. Once you've done that, you're going to go to the right side of the page and select one or more countries or areas. We're going to select one. And let's do the United States. Okay, then you're going to scroll to the bottom and click on Submit. Alright, when you get there, you'll see a table like this. This is all the data you're going to need to use to create your population pyramid. So go ahead and select it all and Control Copy or right-click Copy. And once you do that, you're ready to go in and create a Google spreadsheet. Okay, so here I'm on my Google homepage, and I'm going to go to Google Drive. And then I'm going to hit Create on the left side, this big red button. And I want to create a spreadsheet. Okay, let's go ahead and title the spreadsheet United States Population Pyramid. Okay, if you didn't see how I titled that, I just clicked in the top left corner on the title. And you just click on it and it lets you rename. Okay, then you're just going to hit copy paste, and it's going to paste all that data that you just got from your website. Alright, so we're well on our way to creating our population pyramid. Alright, but we don't need all this data, so let's go ahead and delete some of it. We can right click on row A or column A and delete that column. We can get rid of the both sexes population column, right click delete column. Okay, and then all these columns over here, we can get rid of those as well. So we only need the age, the male, and the female population. So let's delete columns D through G. Okay, and then we can also get rid of row 2 as well, where it has the totals. We don't need that total information. So let's delete that row. Okay, then I don't know if yours will do this or not, but when I paste the data in, it turns this into dates. So 5/9/2014 and 10/14/2014, that's not what we want it to say. We want it to say age 5 through 9. So I'm going to click on that cell and click the 1, 2, 3 button right here where it says 1, 2, 3. And I want to hit that to plain text. Now I can go up here and retype that to ages 5 through 9. Alright, I need to do the same thing for row 4. Alright, so now we have our data that we're going to need to create our pyramid. So once you get that, you're going to left click and just select your whole table. Select all this data. Okay, so now that we have all the data we need to create the pyramid, you're going to hit this button right here that I'm highlighting. And it'll bring up this chart editor. Okay, under the recommended charts on the left side, you can click this bar chart. And you see right here, it's going to create this, and we can see that that doesn't look correct because I did something wrong. So I'm going to have to go back and fix that real quick, and let me show you how to do that. So go ahead and click X out of that. And what you need to do is go to the male population. Each column, or each row, so row 2 through 22, you're going to have to add a negative at the beginning of that number. So to do that, you click on the cell, and then you go up here to add the negative. So I'll do that real quickly. I won't make you watch all that. Alright, so now I've added all my negatives in there to the male population, so now I can go ahead and hit this Insert Chart button again. And now I'm going to click on the recommended charts on this bar chart on the top right corner. Alright, so now that looks a little more correct. That looks like a pyramid, but it looks a little upside down. So what you're going to do here is you're going to click Customize on the top right. Okay, and then scroll down. And you're going to reverse it. Alright, so that looks better. Alright, then there's a few things we can do to change the look of this. I like to hit the stack button. That makes it look a little better. Okay, and I'd also like this to be more zoomed in, so I don't need all this extra, like I don't need it to go to 20 million over here. So I'm going to maybe have it start at 15 million. So make sure you put the negative again. and max out at 15 million. So 15 and 6 zeros. All right, I like the way that looks better. You can change the color of the bars if you want to red over here. And the female population, oh, here we go. We click this and do black. That looks like Texas Tech colors. That's cool. Oh, I did this wrong. So this is the axis, so we need to do title that total population. Chart title, we title that United States population. Okay, and then if we change the axis to the left vertical like I just did, we can title that age or age groups. All right, and then once you're all done, you like the way it looks, you can go ahead and hit the insert button, and there you have it. There's your population pyramid. Okay, if we're turning this in, I'm not sure if we're turning this in like this or not, but if we are, you can go over here to the top right, click the share button, and you can go ahead and share it with me. So you'll share with Ryan_Sanchez at roundrockist.com. So as soon as you start typing in my name, it should pop up.